45 for grade 3 mathematics, guys. The last topic which we were studying, that was will you, want you, which was on page number 17. And in the last class we completed question number 8, 9 and 10, which was about count back in steps of 10, count back in steps of 5, count back in steps of 10, count back in steps of 5. So a quick revision for the last questions, guys. Then we will start a new topic, that is assorted multiples. When you start at 197 and count back in steps of 10, so you will go 197, then minus 10, 187, 177, 167, 157. So you will observe that in the pattern, in the series, then one's number is not changed. It is same, it is 7. Okay, so you will just check the last digit of 27. The last digit of 27 is also 7. So you can say, sir, we will say yes. Why you will say yes? Because the last digit of 27 is 7. And in the pattern, the last digit is also 7. The whole pattern have the last digit 7. So the digit on the ones place is not changed when you count back in steps of 10. Or when you go even when you even count in steps of 10, so the ones place will remain same. So at 197, this last digit is 7, and at 27 also the last digit is 7. That's mean 27 will come in the pattern, and you will say yes. This was question number 8. Question number 9 was to start at 36, count back in steps of 5. Will you say 11? Now you're starting at 36 when you're counting back in 5, in steps of 5. So first you have to minus 5 from 36, and that will give you 31. And again you will subtract 5 from 31, and you will get 26. Then again you will subtract 5, so you get 21, then 60. So you will observe the pattern also, you will notice the pattern also, and in the pattern even also, when you go further, you will find out the 11. So you will say yes. Why yes? Because the last digit of 11 is 1, and in the pattern, the last digit is either 6 or 1 when you count back in steps of 5. This was question number 9. So even if when you write the pattern 36, 31, 26, 21, 16 and 11, you will find that. Okay. Then question number 9 is start at 36. Question number 10 is start at 110. Start at 110. Count back in steps of 10. Will you say 68? So when you start at 118, again you are counting back in steps of 10. So that's mean the ones place will be same. So the last digit of 118 is 8. When you count back in steps of 10, so it will be 108, 98, 88, 78, 68, and 58. So you can see the 68 will come in the pattern because the last digit of 68 is also 8. So you will say, sir, yes. When we start at 18, count back in steps of 10, we will save 68 because the last digit of 68 is 8, and in the pattern, the last digit is 8. So guys, topic will you, want you is clear to you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's very good. That's very good. All right. So now we will start the new topic, that is asserted multiples, and it is on page number 18. So open your books, guys, page number 18. Please open your books, page number 18. The new topic is asserted multiples. Asserted multiples. Open your book, guys, page number 18. And before starting this topic, I would like to ask you one question, and from the will you, want you topic, and you will have to reply. The question is start at 0, count on in 5. Will you say 160. Start at 0, count on in 5s. Will you say 160? Yes, guys, I need answer of this in the chat box. Start at 0, count on in 5s. Will you say 160? Yes. Answer me in the chat box, guys. Start at 0, count on in 5s. Will you say 160? Very good, Sharif. Yes, guys, what about other students? Muhammad Harbi said, okay, very good. Bayan Farhan, check your answer again. Why? Miraj, very good. Yes, Sharif, tell me. Why? Amjad? Ahmed Yusuf, will you say yes or no? Majid, I'm asking, is it yes or no? Ahmed Yusuf, very good. Yusuf, very good. Okay, very good. I would like to take one student who will tell me why it is yes. Ayan Farhan.
Yes, sir.
Start at 0, count in 5. When you say 160, yes or no?
Yes.
Why?
Why? Because 0, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22.
Because the last digit of 160 is 0,
Yes.
right?
Right.
So if the last digit of any number is 0, that's mean it is a multiple of 5.
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes, sir.
That's the reason. Okay. Thank you. So guys, the answer is yes. And you all said correct answer. Why? Because when you're counting in 5s, you're writing multiples of 5 and the last digit of 160 is 0. 0 is a multiple of 5. That's why it will come in the chart. All right. Let's move to here. Asserted multiples, guys. Take out your notebooks. We are going to start some work in the notebook. Take out your notebooks, please. We will do some work in the notebook. I give you the introduction of that in the last class. Today we are going to do some work also for this topic, asserted multiples. Take out your notebook. On the top of the page, guys, write the date, page number, day, and heading of asserted multiples. So this is 28 October 2021. 28 October 2021. I'm going to share a new screen with you guys. And it is Thursday. And page number is 18. Topic is asserted multiples. Can you see the new screen, guys?
No. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No.
Check again, guys. I have shared a new screen with you. So guys, in the screen, you can see that what you have to write on the top of the page, write date 28 October, Thursday, page number 18. The topic is asserted multiples. In the topic, guys, first we are going to write the definition. As I already discussed to you a definition, what are multiples? Multiples are the numbers that can be divided exactly by another number. Okay, so I can say a number that can be divided exactly by another number is multiple of another number. Okay, examples are 4 by 9 is equals to 36. So you can see here 36 is exactly divisible by 9 also, and 36 is exactly divisible by 4 also. So 36 is the multiple of 4 also, and 36 is the multiple of 9 also. In 4 table also 36 comes, and in 9 table also 36 comes. So 36 is multiple of 4 also and 9 also. So a number that can be divided exactly by another number, so that is a multiple of that number. Is it clear, guys?
What we will write? What we will do?
This, guys, this all you have to write in your notebook. Okay, from here up to down, all you need to write it in your notebook. The definition of multiples, then the examples what I'm sharing with you. Okay, so all you need to write in your notebook. Multiples are the number which can be divided exactly by another number. Examples are 4 and 4 by 9 equals to 36. So 36 is the multiple of 4 also, and 36 is the multiple of 9 also. If you take one more example, 7 by 5 equals to 35. So 35 is exactly divisible by 7 as well. 35 is exactly divisible by 5 as well. So 35 is multiple of 5, and 35 is also multiple of 7. Let's take one more example, guys. 4 by 3 equals to 12. So 12 is a multiple of 4, and 12 is also a multiple of 3. Okay. And if I give you the example of 10, if you look at 10, so 10 is a multiple of 10. Obviously, yeah, 10 is a multiple of 10. 10 is a multiple of 5 also, because 10 can be exactly divisible by 5. 5 by 2 is equals to 10. And 10 is divisible by, exactly divisible by 2 also. 2 multiplied by 5 equals to 10. So 10 is a multiple of 2 as well. And 10 is not a multiple of 3, because in table of 3 there is no 10. 10 cannot be exactly divided by 3. 4 is 10 is not a multiple of 4 as well. 10 is not a multiple of 6 as well. 10 is not a multiple of 7. 10 is not a multiple of 8, and 10 is not a multiple of 9. So in order to find out which whether a number is a multiple of given number or not, you can just check whether a number is exactly divisible by another number or not. If it is exactly divisible by another number, that means it is a multiple of that number. Otherwise, it is not. Am I clear, guys?
Yeah. No question. Yes, yes. Yes.
That's very good. Sharif, I'll take your question. I'll give you one more example, guys. Let's suppose if we take example 20. Okay, 20. So 20, don't need to write it, guys. What I'm writing here, I'm writing in the bracket. Don't need to write it. Just to make you understand. If I take the example of 20, right? So 20 is divisible by 10 also. To 20 is a multiple of 10. 20 divided by 10 equals to 2. So 20 is multiple of 10. And 20 is exactly divisible by 2 also. So 20 is multiple of 2. 2 multiplied by 10 equals to 20. And 20 is exactly multiple by 5 also. 5 by 4 equals to 20. And 20 is exactly multiplied by 4 also. Exactly divisible by 4 multiplied by 5 equals to 20. But 20 is not a multiple of 3. 20 doesn't come in the table of 3. And it doesn't come in the table of 6. It doesn't come in the table of 7. So in this way, you can find out whether a number is a multiple of 2, 3, 5, or any number or not. Is it clear, guys?
No question, you will ask it.
You can't see the screen. Guys, can you see the screen?
Yeah.
Yes.
Everyone can see the screen. Yes, guys. Do you have any questions? Anyone? Any question? Okay. Then move to the other. Guys, did you start writing in the notebook?
Yeah.
Very good. Now, after this, guys, what we will do, we will write multiples of 2. So, guys, this is very easy to write multiples of 2. You can either skip counting 2s and start writing, okay? Or you can just check the numbers which comes in the table of 2. So it could be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, and so on. Add 2, keep adding 2, and keep writing multiples of 2. Or you can just check the numbers which are in the table of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So you can write any number like 150. This is also a multiple of 2 because the last digit is 0. As you know, the last digit is 0. That's mean it is a multiple of 2. You can write even 352. 352 is also a multiple of 2 because the last digit is 2 and 2 is a multiple of 2. If the last digit is multiple of 2, then the whole number will be multiple of 2. Fine. Now, the next is multiples of 3. So in order to write multiples of 3, you can again 0. 0 is not multiples of 3. For writing multiples of 3, you can skip count in 3s. Okay. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, or you can check the table of 3. The numbers which come to the table of 3 are multiples of 3 because they all are exactly divisible by 3. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 30, 33, 36. These all are multiples of 3. Am I clear, guys?
Yes, sir. I say there is no question you will ask.
I will ask you question, but after explanation. So you know multiples of 2 and you can identify multiples of 2. How you can identify multiples of 2? By checking the last digit. If the last digit of any number is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, that means it is a multiple of 2. If the last digit of any number is not from 0 to 8, that means it is not a multiple of 2. And to check multiples of 3, you can check the table of 3 whether it comes in the table of 3 or not. If it comes in the table of 3, that means it's a multiple of 3. Otherwise, it is not. Come to the multiples of 5, guys. We have already discussed the multiples of 5. You can write multiples of 5. You can start at 0. Count in 5s. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, and so on. So you can keep writing multiples of 5 up to wherever you want, right? So again, the numbers which are exactly divisible by 5 are multiples of 5. The numbers which are exactly divisible by 5 are multiples of 5, or the numbers which comes in the tables of 5 are multiples of 5. So any number you can write here, like I can write here 100. 100 is also a multiples of 5 because the last digit is 0. And you know that if the last digit of any number is 0 or 5, that means it is a multiple of 5. In order to identify any number is a multiple of 5 or not, you just have to check the last digit. If it is 0 or 5, then it is a multiple of 5. Otherwise, it is not. Am I clear to you guys? Yes, guys, am I clear to you?
Sir.
That's very good. Guys, did you finish writing? Okay, finish it fast because we have to start question number 1. Question number 1 from the book. So finish it fast, guys. The question number 1 in the book is write the first 5 multiples of 2. then 3, then 5, and then 10. Okay, so we will write it. I should introduce you multiples of 10 as well. Multiples of 10. Multiples of 10 are, guys, start counting. And 10, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and so on. The numbers which comes in the table of 10 are multiples of 10, or the numbers which are exactly divisible by 10 are multiples of 10. So guys, I'm going to write question number 1 now. Sorry. Question number 1. Question number 1 is, write the first multiples of 5. 2. Write the first multiples of 5, 2. 2, then 3. Then 3. Then 5. And then 10. So this is the question, guys. You have to write the first 5 multiples of 5, 3, 2, and 10. This must be 2. 2 and 10. Or 2, 3, and 5, then 10. Right here 2 or here 5. 2, 3, then 5, and then 10. So I'm going to write the first 5 multiples of 2. First 5 multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, or 10. If you want, you can write 0 as well. Clear, guys?
You miss words. You miss it. You miss words. Thank you.
Okay. Which word, Sharif? Which word? Please tell me which word. Okay. Guys, now I'm going to zoom in. Oh, what? The first 5 multiples. Okay. Write the first 5 multiples of 2, then 3, then 5, and then 10. So first 5 multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. First 5 of multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, or 10. Here, guys?
Clear. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Now, guys, you have to tell me first 5 multiples of 3. First 5 multiples of 3. Tell me first 5 multiples of 3. Write it and send it in the chat box. First 5 multiples of 3. Adam Khalid, that's great. Yes, sisters. First 5 multiples of 3. First 5 multiples of 3. Yeah, then you can write 0. But not in multiples of 3, okay? You can write 0 in multiples of 2, multiple of 5, and multiple of 10. I write here, no problem. Okay. So I'm skipping 10 from here then. 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Yes, guys, multiples of 3. Ali Nizar, very good. And yes, you can check 20. 20 doesn't come in the table of 3. Adam Khalid. The last digit of 20 is 0. 20, 40. Ayman, I need first 5 multiples of 3. Ahmad Yusuf, very good. I'm going to take one of the students, he will tell me. Uh, Amjad,
Yes, sir.
first 5 multiples of 3, please.
It's 3,
Mhm.
6, 9,
Mhm.
12, and 15.
12 and 15. That's very good. Thank you. Exactly, guys. These are the first 5 multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. Then we have to write first 5 multiples of 5. And for that, I'm going to take one more student, Majid.
Yes, sir.
First 5 multiples of 5.
0,
Okay.
5,
Okay.
10,
10.
12,
12. Why 12?
50. No, sir. 50.
Okay.
20.
20. That's fine. 5, 2, 2, 4, and 5. That's very good. Thank you.
Welcome.
That's very good. So first 5 multiples of 5 are 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. So this is absolutely right, guys. Then we will write first 5 multiples of 10. And first 5 multiples of 10, I will ask from Minaj. First 5 multiples of 10.
So, 10, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60.
That's very good. 0, 10, 20, 30. And we can take 40. I think
40, 50.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5 now. That's fine. Thank you. So these are the multiples of 10, guys. So guys, we finished question number 1. To write first 5 multiples of 2, 3, and 5. 2, 3, 5, and 10. We finished question number 1. Question number 2 we will complete in the book. Did you finish writing in the notebook, guys?
Why you don't take money? Why you take money? Write everything.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Ayan Furhan, Ahmad Yusuf, Sharif. Perfect. All right, guys. Now I'm going to share a new screen with you. I'm going to the book to complete question number 2. Can you see the new screen?
Yes. 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 Yes.
That's very good. So question number 2 we are going to do, guys. Question number 2 is which of these numbers are multiples of 3? So which of these numbers are multiples of 3? So I will ask you and you will have to answer me. Guys, tell me about 10. 10 is a multiple of 3. Please tell me, is it a multiple of 3?
No.
Sir, no.
Very good. It is not a multiple of 3. You just have written the multiples of 3. Multiples of 3 are the numbers which comes in the table of 3 or which are exactly divisible by 3. 10 doesn't come in the table of 3 and 10 is not exactly divisible by 3. So don't need to circle 10. But check about 15, guys. What about 15? 15 is a multiple of 3.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes.
You multiply of
That's very good. That's very good. Ali Nizar, I will upload in class course material. You can copy, you can download it from there. Okay. So 15 is a multiple of 3. That's why you are going to make it short form. This is answer 15. And what about 20? Tell me about 20, guys. Is it a multiple of 3? 20, is it a multiple of 3?
No.
Very good. 20 is not a multiple of 3 because it doesn't come in the table of 3. In table of 3, it is 18. After 18, it is 21. So you don't need to circle 20. Now check about 25. Tell me, 25 is a multiple of 3?
No.
No. 30 and 35. 30 only.
Very good. 25 is not a multiple of 3. 24 is a multiple of 3 or 27 is a multiple of 3. Okay. 25 doesn't come in the table of 3. So you are not going to circle 25. Okay. Now let's talk about 30. Guys, check. Tell me, 30 is a multiple of 3?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
Absolutely right, guys. 30 is a multiple of 3. Because you know it, 3 multiplied by 10 is equals to 30. So 30 is a multiple of 3. 30 comes in the table of 3. So 30 is a multiple of 3. What about 35, guys? 35 is a multiple of 3? Yes or no? That's very good. And what about 40? 40 is a multiple of 3? That's very good. 40 is also not a multiple of 3. 33, after 30, 33 and 36, not 35. After 36, 39 and then 42. So 40 is not a multiple of 3. Then the question number 3, guys. Question number 3 is which of these numbers are multiples of 5? So this is, guys, quite easy because you know multiple of 5 either have last digit 0 or 5. So just check out the last digit 0 or 5. This is 0 multiple of 5. This is not 0. It is not. It is not last digit 4. No. Last digit 6. No. Last digit 8. Last digit 0. Yes. Last digit 2. No. Am I right, guys? Yes. Is it clear to you?
Why you don't ask this question? It's very easy.
Very good. I know, Sharif, you know it, and you are answering it in the chat. I'm receiving your answer in the chat box. That's why I know about you. Those students who are not answering, so I'm asking them, and I'm checking whether they know or not. Which of these numbers are multiples of 5? For that, you find out the numbers. The 10 is the number which is multiple of 5 because 10 has the last digit 0. And 20 is also the number which is multiple of 5. Except 10 and 20. Is there any other number which is multiple of 5, guys? Check out, please. No, there is no number except 10 and 20 which are multiples of 5. 12 is not a multiple of 5, whether it comes 10 or 15. These are the multiples of 5 near 12. Okay. If you talk about 16, no, 16 is not a multiple of 5. The last digit is 6. 15 near to 6 is near to 16, which is multiple of 5. 18, no. 18, the last digit is 8. It is not multiple. So guys, this is the end of our class and we completed up to question number 3. Inshallah, in the next class, we will complete question number 4 and 5 and we'll move on. Okay. So inshallah, meet you again, guys. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Have a nice weekend.
Happy weekend, sir.
Bye,
Happy
sir.
weekend, sir.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.